Hello, my dear students and parents. How are you all? Hope you all are good. As you know, myself Anisha Ikka, and again I am here before you to make you learn social studies in class 5th. In the previous videos, we have seen about airways and roadways, and today we are going to learn about waterways and railways. So let's start. Railways. So students, I hope you have all seen trains, and you know that trains runs on tracks, and they carry hundreds of passengers and tons of goods from one place to another. We can also travel over short as well as long distance from trains. Earlier, the trains were run on steam engine, but now they run on electricity. And do you know that George Stephenson invented the first steam locomotive engine for railways, and the railways was introduced in India by the British rulers. The first railway started in India between Mumbai and Thane in 1853, and today India is the fourth largest railway network in the world, and railway routes connects India to other neighboring countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. So here let us see many fast trains have introduced in India, and in that Rajdhani Express and Shatabdi Express is the fastest train. Then Japan has a super fast train running at a speed of more than 400 kilometers in an hour, and the TGV of France is the fastest train of the world running at a speed of 550 kilometers per hour. So the fastest train in the world is TGV of France, which is running at a speed of 550 kilometers in an hour. After that, the super fast train is from Japan, which is running at a speed of 400 kilometers in an hour. The Trans-Siberian Railway in Russia is the longest railway route in the world. So, the Trans-Siberian Railway, which is situated in Russia, is the longest railway route in the world, and it links Leningrad, now it is called St. Petersburg, with Vladivostok, and a distance of more than 11,000 kilometers. So, the Trans-Siberian Railway connects Leningrad and with Vladivostok, which is how much kilometer? 11,000 kilometers, and it is one of the longest railway routes of the world. Canadian Pacific Railway in Canada and Transcontinental Railway in United States of America and Grand Orient Express in Europe are the other important railways in the world. So students, do you know that the metro rail services is available in Delhi and Kolkata, and many other cities are also going to start, but Mumbai has a monorail transport system. So what is the difference between monorail and metro rails? So in the image you will see it is an image of a monorail, and it runs on a single track, and whereas the next image which you are seeing is of a metro rail, and the metro rail runs on a two tracks like all other trains all over the world. And next is waterways. So waterways is the cheapest means of transportation because it does not require building of roads or rails, and the maintenance is also less. Our country, India, is surrounded by water from the three sides, and we have some ports like in Mumbai, in Chennai, Vishakhapatnam, Kolkata, etc. And these ports connect our country to the rest of the world through waterways. And waterways is the means of transportation of agriculture goods, minerals, and industrial products. Very good example of transportation is petroleum. A special ship is required for the transportation of petroleum, and that special ship is called oil tanker. Likewise, other products like meat, daily products, fruits and vegetables, they which needs refrigeration, they also require a special ship. So here let us see some of the important waterways. So in the picture which you see is the Suez Canal. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869 and it joins the Mediterranean Sea in the north and Red Sea in the south. And it is about 170 kilometers long and 150 meters wide. So the Suez Canal is or connects India and England and reduce the time travel of about 15 days. So it is very helpful in transportation. Here the next image which you see is of Panama Canal and it joins the Atlantic Ocean in the east and Pacific Ocean in the west. It is opened in 1914.